What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, as I promised you guys yesterday, I'm going to do the makeup look I did yesterday. So let's get into the video.
She wants that, go get it. She wants that, go get it. She wants this spin, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she can get it. She want this look.
Okay, so I just did my eyebrows. I tried to fill them in as best I could, but I ran out of my eyebrow pencil. Go figure. So I literally concealed them as much as I could to make them look somewhat decent for this video. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to be using is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey Meal. I'm going to put it on my eyelid. My finger. Alright, don't judge me. This is what I did yesterday, so.
30 hertz straight up.
I might do it somewhere else. Give me a second. Okay, so the lighting is a lot better in here, so what I am going to start off using the Smoky Eye 28 color eyeshadow packet or palette, and I'm going to start off by using this color right here. You can see it. It's like a shimmery color, so I'm going to start off and use that. Don't judge me. I know these brushes are not right, but I'm just using them. You just dab it on. I didn't even use this brush yesterday. And this is the only color I'm using in this palette. So
30 hertz straight up.
I'm gonna come back to that color and like touch it up, but the next palette I'm going to be using is the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey. And this palette smells so good. But I'm going to go in the outer creases with Honey Brittle. So this color right here.
30 hertz straight up.
Okay. So the next color I'm going to be using is Peanut Butter. So, oh my god. So this brown color right here, I want to do it right under that. So the next color I'm going to be using in my crease is This color right here, it's called Bee's Knees. So I'm going to use the sparkly color inside the crease. This palette smells so good. Like, I like smell good palettes.
Straight up, straight up.
To go back into this smoky eye palette and use the same color. And I'm about to just blend this out. Because I heard blending your makeup is key to a good look.
30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up.
So the next color I'm about to use is going nuts. So this brown color right here. Now that my eyeshadow is done, some eyeliner. And the eyeliner I'm using is the Stila. So yeah, the storage is full on my phone, so sorry about that. So what I'm about to do next, eyeliner.
30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up.
Next thing I'm using is these Broadway Eyes Black 38 lashes. And then the glue I'm using is the Duo Eyelash Adhesive Clear White. So that's what I'm using.
30 hertz straight up.
Drying. Next thing I'm about to use, I don't use foundation yet. Like normally it breaks my face out, but I'm not gonna use it just yet. So what I'm about to do is conceal my under eyes. Next, I'm about to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder at the top, so I'm trying to knock some down. My storage keeps like messing up, so if something got cut out, I apologize. But I'm not gonna keep this on that long because normally when I keep it on too long, it stays white under my eyes. I don't want that, so I put some highlighter on. So the highlighter I'm using is the Fenty Beauty in the style Kilowatt. And this is what it looks like. I normally just use this side because it's pretty. So this is the final look. Now I'm about to go do my hair and then probably put some clothes on, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see a hair tutorial on how I did my hair, just let me know. Follow all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Gucci flip-flops, fucking hit your bitch and massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Who the